In this video I'm going to be unboxing the Apeman Trao 4K action camera. It's a 4K camera at 30 frames per second and it'll do 1080p at 60 frames per second. Just got this off Amazon at the weekend. They were doing a special offer, £20 off plus discount on some accessories, so I got the camera. I also bought a Samsung Evo Plus memory card for it, plus additional batteries and battery packs, and the floating selfie stick for it as well. But we're just going to be looking at the main camera and unboxing in this video. So let's have a look. Fairly nice plain box on there. Specifications on the back here. It's a 170° A+ high resolution wide angle f1.8 lens. Resolution's there 4K 30 frames per second, as I said, and all the way going down to 720p at 240 frames per second. Waterproof down to 40 meters if it's in the case, and it can also do photos up to 20 megapixels, but there are some limitations around using that, which are covered in the guide. As I said, bought this off Amazon, discount sale they were running. Interestingly, 4 or 5 hours after buying it, I got an email from the supplier with a lot of extra information, some links to some documentation, a video about setting it all up, and some guidance on about how to get it charged. So they're not relying on you reading the manual. So that's great. So let's have a look then. Pull that out there and give it a lift up. They've obviously been learning a little bit about presentations from other manufacturers. Easy open box, and it reveals as you're opening up. So what are we seeing in here so far? Little bit of a plug to get a review onto Amazon in there. Little hello booklet, telling you a little bit about the device. User manual, fairly good size user manual, multiple languages. So let's just have a look how thick the English one is. So English starts here, goes up to page 22, so that represents the English part of the manual. The rest is alternative languages. Still not bad, getting a paper manual nowadays, and we'll see what the electronic manual looks like when it comes through. We've got the main camera in here. Looks like it's fitted inside the case already, with an adapter on there. And apologies for the reflection, it's reflecting a little bit off the light there, part of the case aspect on there. And we've got an accessory section over here. So if we try and get inside that, it's like it's a separate box. Yep, separate box, put that one to one side. So full box for accessories. Opens up the same here. And this is, I suppose, absolutely chock block. We have what looks like another back for the case. An adapter. Right, let's keep going. Gonna have to figure out what some of these are as we go through. Charging cable, the looks of it. It's like a sticky mount there. Battery. Second battery. So that's 2 batteries we get in the box out of there. Now, interesting, the video they send you as a link in the email shows you how each of these work. So there are some adapters for using with handlebars, some with helmets. Not all of them are in back, some of them are extras you have to purchase separately. Still going in here. So that's some replacement sticky mounts in there. Cable. There's a strap there. Cable ties. This one I have seen in the video. It is like a crocodile clip for clipping the camera onto something, and the camera fastens onto here with one of the adapters there. Lens cleaning cloth. And then foam blocks in there. So inside the accessories pack, we count everything up there. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 accessories inside there. Lots of different ones. As I get to use the camera, we'll see what they're all like. Again, the camera is already pre-fitted in one of these cases. See if I can figure out how to get the case open. Click there and over. Open up there. We can get the camera out here then. And so there's a little clear plastic sheet off that. Take the back off that off. Absolutely tiny camera, very lightweight. The little plastic cover on the lens, I'll leave that on for now. Yeah, no battery at the moment, so that'll help make a little bit of the weight. I'll get some footage of this and upload it, and you can all have a look what the footage is looking like. Liking it so far. Everything got here, camera, all the accessories, plus the micro SD card, about £100. So great value for money. Obviously, I'm not expecting anything near GoPro level quality, but I wanted to have a mess around with the action camera. Didn't want to spend the money on the GoPro in case I couldn't get on with it. So we'll see how all this goes. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and you'll see some footage coming up later on. Thank you very much.